Hello everyone, you're welcome once again to this channel. So today I'll be showing you guys a very particular channel that has actually been paying with proofs. Yeah, this channel pays you $10 actually for just playing games. You play games like bricks. I mean bricks game, not puzzle. Sorry, bricks game. You know, block or brick. All these games. So you do that, and you can also earn by going live. There is actually a live section on the platform at which you can, through that, you can generate money for yourself there. So this very particular platform proven to uh, pay every users $10, um, which is the minimum withdrawal. $10, which is the minimum withdrawal. So you can, so upon every block game you complete, you'll be given $1 each. For every block game you complete, you'll be given $1 each. Meanwhile, this is not a financial advice, nor is it a quick get rich stuff or scheme. So, and then you can make your own research also about it. This is not a financial advice. This is not bring somebody to earn. This is not bring somebody before you can withdraw or likes. All right. So then, if today happens to be your first time of hearing my voice, or today happens to be your first time of coming across this my channel today, I would like you to give a thumbs up, like, share, and then do it to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be able to get every of our new videos as we release them. All right, so let's move on. This particular platform is called Gemgala. I'm actually going to drop a link on the description of this main video that you can use and then sign up on this platform for yourself. So now I'm going to move on from this place. I'm going to click on, okay, I'm going to click on it's asking me that am I male or female. So I'm going to click on male, this particular teddy bear or this cat. So I'm going to click on this male. So now it's asking me, are you a man? Do you confirm your gender? After the account is registered, the gender cannot be modified. So now you must be very, very careful when you come across this particular place. The moment you select male, you cannot change it to female anymore. You continue to be a man if you are choosing male. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on I am a man. Okay, so I'll click on I am a man. So it's tell me to click on complete. So I'm going to click on complete. Very good. So you can see it's actually loading now. So this is the interface of this platform. It's called Game Gala. Game Gala, all right. Some is called Game Gala. All right, so this is a quick start guide for beginners. You remember I said that you are just going to be playing block games at which you are going to be arranging blocks together, and then every of the blocks you arrange successfully gives you $1 each. So let us check what this is in. So you can see, for those who doesn't know how to play this game, so this is actually how is showing you how you can play this game and earn from it massively. So it said slide to flip, slide to flip. Okay, so you can see these are the kind of the things that you should be coming across when you are playing the games. Many people are very familiar with this kind of game, actually, this kind of blog game. So I'm going to click on cancel. So I'm going to click on cancel above. So now it's telling me ready. So on this kind of aspect, I'll just be showing you guys the main thing at which you need to know about in this aspect, which is how it works, how the playing game. So I can decide to tap on this place, long tap. So if you long tap, you can actually put it here. Okay, you can carry this, put it here. You can take this one, put it here. So you can see. So just that simple something I just did here, you can see that this particular point that is here has already increased to 8. You can imagine just that little something I just did here, it has increased to 8. So that's actually how it was. You can decide to go live, go live, join the live people, and then you can earn a reward from them. You can see from this interface, you can see different people at which you can chat with, people from Nigeria, people from all kind of countries. You can see this platform is actually very legit. You can decide to pick a chat up with them. Even some of them I even sent you a message, like this person sent me a message actually. You can decide to chat with any one of them. So anyone you actually want to do, you can do it from here. And if you are not interested in going in joining the live and then any rewards, you can choose to play games. You can choose to play games. Okay, so that's actually how it works with Game Gala. So if you love this video, so if you see above in this part, in this upper corner part, this place that I'm showing my pointer, you see that coin. Now the coin is actually not the main stuff that actually gets you to withdraw. The coins is just what accumulates for you in equivalent for some things. So we are not focusing on the point, actually we are focusing on these green notes. This green notes is what we are focusing on, which is the gem, right? So you can see on this green note is telling you that for every 10,000 gem you collect, you are going to receive, for every 10,000 gem is equal to $1. Are you getting it? So meaning that if you actually complete a game, it's going to give you $1. And also, aside this, you can actually even invite your friends. And per invite, which means you can refer your friend. You can see in this below, in this second option that you are looking down here, you can see invite friends to get gems up to 10,000 naira per invite. So per invite of this 10 gems gives you $1, which is one invite equals to 10,000 gems, which is equivalent to $1. So you can actually boost yourself if you want to if you want to invite, and you can also play the game as well. It does not stop each other. So if I'm to place my withdrawal here, it won't go because I've not yet, qualified for this. I've not got to the minimum withdrawal, which the minimum withdrawal is $10. All right. So till then, I'm going to show you. So if I click on this withdrawal now, you will see now that it's going to pop out this side. Are you seeing it? So now, let's assume that I've already gotten my $10 now and I want to withdraw. The first thing I will do is not to place on withdrawal. The first thing I will do is to, set up my Met wallet. You see this Met wallet, which is under this withdrawal tool, is what I'm going to click on. So if I click on this Met wallet, you can see on this Met wallet is loading. So wait for it. Okay. So now, back to this aspect. Back to this interface now. So you will click on this cat sign, this one that is below here that I'm putting my pointer to. So if you pick this particular pointer, you can see that it has brought me to my dashboard, or whatsoever you may call it, dashboard. So you can see on this side is saying per invite is, so you can see from here it said per invite is 10,000 gems. Are you getting it? So if you invite someone, so you get 10,000 gems for yourself, which is equivalent to $1. So per invite is $1 anyhow. So if you can decide to share, you can copy your link and understand. So let's get back to the main side, at which I actually want to show you guys. So the next thing you are going to be doing is you are going to be setting up your face verification. Yeah, and this is very important. This is one of the most important things here that you must do before even you withdraw at all. So you must set up your face verification, which you are going to be seeing on this place. You see on this my profile, So if you click on this my profile, you are going to be seeing here profile photo. Okay, you can see here in this aspect, you can see face verification below here. So you can see that this place is telling you that your face verification is not yet verified. Okay guys, so from here you remember that I said the other time that you are going to verify your face here, which I actually did. It's just very simple, just like the way you verify other bank apps like OP. They'll tell you to turn to the left, turn your face to the left. So that's just the exact thing I did here, and I've been verified instantly. So the other thing you'll be doing here is to check your age. You see age in this aspect, you check your age. Then gender, okay, gender is okay, so just your age, and that's all. Then you move over to You move over to your withdraw side. Let's say you want to withdraw now. So I just click on this gem coin now. So if I want to withdraw, what I need to do, I need to set up my Mate wallet. You see this Mate wallet is actually the necessary criteria for you to be able to put your bank details. Yeah, so that's the wallet. So you are setting up your wallet in order to let your withdrawal very much easier. So you can see these are actually a new account. So once this account gets to $10, I can withdraw. So, but then let us set up our Mate wallet. These are Mate wallet. So we're going to set it up now. So you can see in the front is showing unbound. So let us click on it and set up our Mate wallet. Okay, now you can see from this Mate wallet is asking for an email. So you will put an email there for yourself. It might probably be the email you sign up with or anyone actually that you want to put, but I will advise you put the email at which you sign up with in the first place. So I'm going to click on email now. So I'm going to input my email. So a code has been sent to my email for me to verify. So I'll need to check on that code now and then verify it. Okay, let me just go over to my Gmail. He's asking me now to, fill a password. So you must take note here that the password you'll be putting there, make sure it consists of letters and numbers. Letters and numbers. Don't just put letters like, okay, like card, like motto, like boss. No, don't do that. If you are going to be putting that, make sure you add the number with it, okay? So let us just put it. You can see, say country cannot be modified after registration. So you must be sure that the country that you are is actually the one. This is why it is not advisable to use a VPN or anything. Just make sure you use your natural, um, natural details. Okay. So let me just fill in a password for this. Okay, let me just put. Okay, so I click on next now. So you can see it says create successfully. Okay, so now the Gemgala needs to acquire the following information of your Met wallet. Yeah, so it said to provide relative service for you. So nickname, gender. So I can just click on authorize. So I click on authorize. Okay, it said bound successfully. So you can see the Met wallet account has actually been bound successfully now. So let me click on confirm. Very well. You can see my Mate wallet has actually been created now. So what I'm going to do now is to set up my payment method, whether it be bank transfer or maybe I want to use a crypto or I want to use a PayPal account, anyone that I want to do. So what I'm going to click, so I'm going to click on this Mate wallet. Okay, so it's loading. Let's wait for it. Okay, so now you can see here that it brought out this interface that okay that to complete the wallet account information to obtain more withdrawal require qualification. So the basic level, semi-verified, fully verified. So all of that will click on this wallet sign that is up here. So I'm going to click on this wallet. So when I click on it, you can see it said wallet account to be completed, bank card account to be completed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to withdraw account, sorry, bank card account, withdraw account to be filled in. So I'm going to first check on this wallet account. So let me click on this wallet account and then complete your details, your first name, your middle name, your last name. Okay, just click on this submit info. So you can see in this for submit info, it say ensure you enter your real personal information. Wrong information may cause failed withdrawal. So I already checked what I put there. So I'm going to click on confirm. So I just click on confirm now. So you can see that my basic level info has actually been confirmed. Okay, so you are going to click on back. Going to back this side. Then you can now then you can see now that I already completed my basic level information criteria, the semi-verified criteria, and then you see this fully verified. That one was asking for a utility bill or proof of address, all these kind of things. So and I don't have that. So what is demanded is just the basic level alone, you remember. So once you've gotten that, so what we are going after now is this what's it called, we are going back to this wallet sign. So go back to this wallet sign, click on this wallet sign. Then now you can now fill in your withdrawal account. Okay, so this withdrawal account, so let us just fill in a withdrawal account. So you can put your bank card here. So you can choose to put your bank card, which is your normal bank account, and you can choose to use ePay. You can choose to use crypto USDT TRC20. For me, I'll be using USDT TRC20. That's just what I want to use. That doesn't mean that's the only option, but you can use it anyway. So for me, I'll be using my USDT TRC20. So I already have it here. So I'm just going to paste it here. So this is my wallet address for my USDT. So you can see all my information are all correct. Okay, so I'm going to submit now. It said withdrawal minimum for per transaction is $10. So it is subject to actual fees and collected. So what I'm going to click on now is this. I'm going to click on done. I'm going to click on done. So you can see I've successfully added my account. Okay, so what I need to do next is that you can now withdraw. So until then, you can now place on this withdrawal once you reach $10. Okay, so if you're actually enjoying this update, I would like you to give this a like. You switch on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can receive every of our new information. Okay, guys, till then, see you later. Bye.